Today we had a petition which we started at 9:15 this morning to effectively restore Britain, which is my new political movement, which is designed to unify. With the help of my members, we actually had our first direct democracy vote on detaining and deporting illegal migrants, basically offshore. So they don't actually come here. They're processed offshore. I mean, so our petition started at 9:15. We had over 100,000 votes by 4 o'clock this afternoon, 3:45 this afternoon. So ultimately, I think as I came into your studio, I think we were hitting 109 or 110,000. So that was only started at 9:15 this morning. So that forces a debate in Westminster Hall. I've set up Restore Britain. I'm absolutely clear that we need as a country to unite common sense thought. It's not about being right or left. It's about common sense. It's about bringing together those patriots who want their country back. And you don't do that by dividing people. You do it by uniting people, which is why Restore Britain, we've got a lot of members now. We had our first direct democracy vote where we got thousands of people voted.
Yeah. Charlie Downs was on here.
Charlie's working for us, yeah.
He's
Charlie's
brilliant.
working for us. We've got some great people, Harrison Pitt.
Yep, smart guys.
Rob Bates. Yeah, we've got some. No, we're building a young team. I say to them all, it's not just about me. I think, again, reform is arguably mainly about Nigel. It's about all of us. We're a team, and what we have to do is unite the country. Because what these malign influences can't fight, Andrew, is they can't fight a united, common sense body of England and Britain who actually doesn't like what's happening. And I think we've got to the stage now. This country is very slow to react. And look at the beating we've taken collectively. Just look at what these bureaucrats have done to decent people who most of the time just want to go about bringing their family up, educating their children, living their lives. They don't want to have to worry about politics, quite rightly.